Now let's look at the three generated tables. First, the product sales details. There are order flow lines in it, like the store, where the order was placed, and the exact product are all invisible here. If you want to know about the order corresponding which product, that exists in this product information dimension table. Like this. The same product only had the same product code. By matching the same product code, we can put it associated with product sales details. The same goes for store codes. By matching the same store code, we can count the flow of each order took place under which city in which store. So the first step of the analysis is to put the three tables together. Let's choose the product sales details with the most complete data at the main table. Select Create a Self-Service Dataset in the upper right corner and enter the name as Group Sales Table. Click OK. Then you get into the self-service dataset. When you come in, you can see the left side can show each additional data processing step. On the right side, we have the selection tables, fields, and data preview areas. First, select all fields in the table. Then click the plus sign. Add a left and right merge. Merging left and right can concatenate the tables we want to associate it together. Click our package. Select the product information dimension table, then select all fields. Click OK. Here we can see that there is a merge basis, and then we see the combination here is based on the product code, and the merge is left merge. That is, keep the previous table and the data in it. What about the steps to merge the second table? Same thing as before. Add left and right merge. Then select the store information dimension table, select all, click OK. Well, the merger is based on the store code. The way is still left merge. Then you can preview it below, all data after merging.